Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl on your best beauty. All right, guys, in this video I'm trying to do the V-shape wig. Okay, so it actually means I'll be needing leave out. Okay, now it's an half wig. Okay, because it's not a full wig, it's an half wig. Even though it's not the half wig that we all know that has that starts from the ear to ear. Okay, but this one is still a half wig because it's not a full wig. So we're doing a leave out. Okay, and then I went ahead to bring out some hair on my at my edge, and of course the one I'll be using to cover the wig. Okay, and yeah, guys, I have this type of in fact my hair is a virgin hair, a 4C virgin hair. It's like this because I've gone through it with a hot comb, not just a hot comb, a steam pod. Okay, so that's why it's soft like this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave it to watch. If there's any need for me to do a voiceover as usual, I will come in and do something. Okay, thank you so much. I love you.
It's on Bestie, I feel in the building. The finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show. Her hand are blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game, she no get duplicates. Oni, Oni, yeah, Oni, yeah. She the show working thousand, yeah. Oni, yeah, Oni, yeah, Oni, yeah. Baddest of them all. Her work they show, he they play. Oh yeah, film the baddest. Oh yeah, film her working. Okay, now cut the camera, she's the show workings.
So guys, it's time to install our wig. Yay! Now I love this particular part. Now this particular wig I got it from AliExpress. I sell wigs, but I don't sell synthetic wig. Okay, but this is a synthetic, guys. I promise you, you will not know. Like you will not even know this is a synthetic wig. I love this hair. I so much love this hair, and I got it off AliExpress for I think about 20, I think 24 € or 22 € thereabout. Okay, so it was worth it. I actually bought it for this tutorial alone. Okay, I don't sell this type of wig, but I sell human hair wigs. Okay, so I don't know if I've in any channel or by any means dropped my website link on this channel, but if I will go and cross check, I'm going to do that. So if you're watching this video, you should know that if you want to patronize me, you can actually click on any of my link, just go to the description of this video as well. I'm going to be leaving the link to my website there. Okay, yeah, now let us continue while we are here. So I'm trying to loosen the, the back part comes with this hook and all that, so I'm trying to loosen it. All right, now I love this wig, like I was saying, because I can actually rock it as a center part or as a side part wig. Okay, because I left some hairs at the edges. Remember, I left some hair there, and also left some leave outs at the center part of the hair, so it means I can actually rock it as a center wig or a side wig. Okay, I so much love the idea. Okay guys, let me leave you. If there's anything for me to do a video, a voice note or a voiceover, I will definitely do it. Okay.
It's on him best beauty when the building. The finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show. Her hand are blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game. She no get duplicates. Oni, she the show working thousand. Oni, the baddest of them all. I work the show, he they play. Oh, you film the baddest. Oh, you film her working. Okay, now cut the camera. Saw him best beauty when the building, the finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show. Her hand are blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game. She no get duplicates. On yeah. She the show working thousand. On yeah. The baddest of them all. I work the show, he the play. Oh, you film the baddest. Oh, you film her workings. Okay, now cut the camera. She the show workings. Okay, now cut the camera. She the show workings. Ooh. Okay, now cut the camera. She's the show workings.
Okay, so guys, over here I'm trying to try out every other styles I can do with this particular wig. Okay, so I told you I'll be working it as a side wig again because I had left some leave out there, if you remember. And yeah, this is me laughing at my edges because like I don't understand what is happening. My edges is, mama mia, what is this? Is this my edges? No, I don't think so. I don't think this is my edges. I think there's a mistake. Maybe it's AI. You know, we now in Nigerians, in AI they win there. Like every other thing anybody says is AI. So I think this particular age is AI. I think there's a mix up somewhere. Like God, this he wanted to spoil my shine. Like he wants to spoil my shine, but it's not gonna work. Now these are the styles I did with this particular hair, guys. I'll leave you to watch the rest part of this video. I really appreciate you for being here. Please do well to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon so that as soon as I post a video, you'll be notified. Thank you for joining, and I love you. Bye.